Unleashing the power of peer feedback in English storytelling and jokes. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into an incredibly useful tool in learning and improving our English storytelling and joke-telling abilities: peer feedback. We're going to learn why it's important, how to give it, and how to use it to enhance your English speaking and listening skills. When you're learning to tell stories and jokes in English, you're not just learning vocabulary and grammar. You're also learning about timing, inflection, and cultural nuances. Peer feedback can offer insights into all of these areas, as your peers might catch things you've overlooked or suggest improvements based on their own experiences. Peer feedback also promotes active listening skills. As we provide feedback to others, we tune into the details of language usage, storytelling techniques, and humor, thus enhancing our own understanding and skills. Firstly, it's essential to be constructive and respectful. Instead of saying, "You're wrong," or "That's not funny," try to phrase your feedback in a way that highlights the positive, while providing suggestions for improvement. For example, "I like the way you set up the joke, but the punchline could be clearer. Maybe you could say it like this." Next, be specific. Instead of saying, "Your story was confusing," explain why. Was it the plot, the character's actions, the words used? By being precise, you're helping your peer to understand exactly what they need to work on. Remember, the goal is to help your peers improve their storytelling and joke-telling skills, not to criticize or discourage them. When you receive feedback, view it as an opportunity to grow. No matter how much you practice alone, there are some things you can only learn from interaction with others. Take notes of the feedback you receive. Focus on the comments that appear most frequently. These are likely areas that need attention. Practice incorporating the feedback into your storytelling or joke-telling. Remember, it's not about taking every piece of advice, but rather, discerning which pieces will help you develop your style and improve your language skills. And there you have it. That's a quick overview of how peer feedback can significantly enhance your English storytelling and joke-telling skills. As you go forward, remember, peer feedback is a powerful tool. Use it to refine your skills, and don't forget to offer constructive feedback to others. This give-and-take process is part of what makes language learning so dynamic and rewarding. We hope you found this video helpful, and we're excited to hear your brilliant stories and hilarious jokes. Happy learning!